Hi and welcome to Cooking with LYNQ. Today we are going to be making a Caesar salad dressing made with an avocado base. So what you're going to start with is a ripe avocado. Mash it a little bit with a fork. We're going to add some freshly squeezed lemon, about 5 cloves of garlic, a little bit of Dijon mustard, apple cider vinegar, some salt, and some water. Because I really want it to be extra smooth, I'm just going to blend it. So now that it's nice and smooth, we are going to add 1 teaspoon oven powdered. We're going to mix it. And we're going to add some capers. Just mix it in. And some Parmesan cheese. Or you can also use nutritional yeast because the rest of the recipe is vegan. It smells really, really good. And I'm just gonna pour it over romaine lettuce. So we're just going to mix this. So it gives a little bit of like a creamy feel. And then we are going to just add some croutons on the top. And if you wanna add some bacon bits, you can do that too. And we're gonna taste it. So I love Caesar salad, so this is going to be a good one. Here you go. This is excellent. It's very, very, very good. It's very garlicky, but I like it that way. So it's really, really good. I hope you guys try this recipe. It's a really good one. And please share and give us a thumbs up. And give us your comments. Let us know if you like it as much as I do.